This is the Precalculus section 1.4 quiz on the unit circle. So number 1, we're asked to change 120 degrees into radians. Okay, so to do this, we kind of had to just remember a couple things, right? Here's our unit circle. Right here we start at 0 degrees or 0 radians, right? I even put them equal to each other. We go all the way around the circle and we're back at 360 degrees at this same point, right? Which is equal to 2 pi radians. Alright, so we know around the unit circle, if we go halfway, we know that is half of 360 degrees, so that's 180 degrees, or half of 2 pi radians, And so using these, if we know pi radians is equal to 180 degrees, then we know pi radians divided by 180 degrees equals to 1, right? If those two are equal, then if you divide them by each other, it equals to 1. So likewise, 180 degrees divided by pi radians is equal to 1. These are both equal to 1, right? So here we have 120 degrees, and when we want to change it to radians, well, we want to multiply it with radians in the numerator and degrees in the denominator, so these cancel out, right? But what do we use to multiply it by? Well, we can only multiply it by 1. But if we represent 1 as this, then we can go ahead and cancel out the the degrees, right? Because the degrees then cancel and we're left with 120 pi over 180 radians, okay? And now we just simplify this expression here and we are done. Okay, so simplifying that, 120 divided by 180, well, if you can do it really quickly, you know it's 2 pi over 3 radians. Okay, a couple of steps, you can divide 120 pi by 10 and also 180 by 10, so you get 12 pi over 18 radians. Again, you can divide the numerator by, for example, 2, so you get 6 pi and 9, right? And then you can divide the numerator and denominator by 3. Okay, you divide 6 pi by 3, you get 2 pi, 9 by 3, you get 3. So here it is in simplified form, 120 degrees equals 2 pi over 3 radians. Okay, so let's also do number 2. Number 2 is asking us to change 2 radians into degrees. Well, again, we want to multiply it by some ratio to cancel out radians in the numerator with radians in the denominator and having degrees in the numerator, right? So again, we can go back to our circle, or what we want to just know is 180 degrees equals to pi radians, okay? Then we can put pi radians here and 180 degrees here, and this ratio is equal to 1. So then let's just cancel out the radians and simplify. We get 2 times 180 divided by pi degrees, right? So 2 times 180 is 360 divided by pi degrees. All right, so this is the answer for number 2. And 2 radians equals 360 divided by pi degrees. All right.